Hello everyone, Dragos here. Welcome to another episode of Food Experience in India. This video story is about cooking fried fish eggs at home. We start with buying a fresh fish, in this case a fat one, which is full of eggs. Once we are at home, we wash the fish eggs and keep them in water for a little. Meantime, we are cleaning some garlic, ginger and onion. We will also use tom yum soup paste. Here you can pause and check the ingredients if you want. Next, we smash the garlic and the ginger together. We prepare the frying pan and we fry the onion a little bit. Shortly after, we add the mixture of garlic and ginger, the tom yum soup paste, turmeric powder, chili powder and mix it all together. After some time, we add a little cold water and coriander seeds powder. Next, we add the fish eggs and we keep mixing from time to time. No need to worry about separating the eggs. They will get separated naturally in the process of cooking. And that's it! A new way of preparing fish eggs which is simple and time efficient. The color is so rich and the smell is amazing, while the taste absolutely mini crunchy deliciousness. If you liked it, keep in touch by subscribing and also check for more of my videos. Thank you for watching.